Onward, team. Something seems to warrant closer scrutiny.
It's there! Let's head over already!
Still waiting for something?
I am trying to compose a bad joke for you.
This looks way worse than the photo.
Something's not right. They smashed the circuitry when the gate was closed. Those inside probably want to keep everyone out. These illegal crusts really saved us some trouble. We have Mr. Andre to thank for that. Look, the Landbreakers really turned this place upside down. They seem to be looking for something.
Wait. Don't tell me that the LBs are really after the parts. What would they use them for?
I hope they have evacuated to safety. Perhaps we should do another sweep, just to be sure. Give the area a scan, Endman. The scanner might be able to locate some useful information.
I was so...
The Landbreakers lingered here for quite a while. No signs of combat. Likely a failed stakeout or ambush. Some documents have been taken away. But what about the parts? Someone has flipped through these data files. Were some of them taken away?
The footprints lead deeper into this facility.
That would lead to a dead end. We should hurry up.
It must be somewhere! Boss wants the crate! Oh, God! But search this place again! Keep looking! I'll poke around in other places. Something for this to
Here's our chance! Ready to try Crystal! Sequence! Here comes Master 10.
No second chance.
Take this!
I'm gonna make you leave.
Here's our chance! Blade unsheathed, it's like unleashed! I'm with you. Forward! Take your rest!
Out of my way!
Sterilize this area!
So quiet. Maybe they're gone?
Keep your head down and shush.
The footprints fade into that direction. We need to find a way to reach the upper platform. Let's look around. Perhaps we can find a crate to hop on. Don't be afraid. We are the Endfield.
Yeah, we totally defeated those landbreakers.
Oh, thank you all. We finally...
Our security cameras found the landbreaker mobs heading this way. We stopped our work immediately, then took...
We got no idea what it...
This is it. Thank you.
Great. Oh,
Still waiting for something? I'll never forget the sight of them. Operator Pro. We once fought on and never gave up.
Since the landbreakers are gone, we should start the emergency repairs. They should last until the base sends more people. You know, we really appreciate all the help you gave us, my Endfielder friends. Things look good for now.
You stop! Drop the loot! That crate! It's ours!
hear that sound? Something ain't right.
Tight.
Hey, forward! Take your rest! Here comes Master 10. Watch out! Leave it to me! Cleave now, and flat!
Locked and loaded.
Step down!
Trust in me.
Just as I predict.
Whew, they just won't give up. What is it, Perlica? Thinking about something?
Those landbreakers. You heard what they said. Their leader is looking for the parts and the documents.
But why would the LBs want the documents? I mean, can they even understand this stack of technobabble?
What's even more suspicious is Mr. Andre mentioned that he ordered and paid for the Originium modification parts himself. How would the landbreakers acquire such information? Mr. Andre should know more than us. Endfield has worked together with the UWST for quite a while. We often carry out joint engineering. The UWST has spent years researching the ether rift of Valley 4. They have constructed an ether test site at the power plateau, though it does make little sense. I have a feeling that we'll get to the bottom of this afterwards. The good news is that we successfully secured the Endman. The automation core can also be a target destination for teleprotocol. Time is a luxury we don't really have. So let's try using teleprotocol and get back to the automation core instantly. Now that everything's settled, I guess Mr. Andre can finally breathe easy.
Guys, you've got to make Big Owl treat us to a mega feast. Otherwise, you're just spoiling him. Didn't expect this, right? My special absorbency for rocky stuff.
Entering core AIC area.
Mr. Andre, we found the things you need. We also met a few fortunate UWST crewmates who survived. They're not—
Wonderful, Edmund and Supervisor Perlica. I'll give Director Chin an update regarding the— Oh, by the way, you probably saw plenty of damaged facilities in the hub area. Most of them can be fixed with Origo crusts, and that will mean we need to gather a lot more Originium ore. Now this, Edmund, is the Endfield portable Originium rig. Just deploy it on a
The portable Originium rig automatically sets aside some of the excavated ore to power itself. This is the place, Endman. Let's deploy the portable Originium rig on this mining spot. Endman, we can now produce Origo crusts in batches. Just like before, we'll make them by putting Originium ore into the refinery. Unit.
Fabulous! I now have everything I need to start repairing the prototype. Enman, make sure you're here to witness its awakening. Don't miss it. Promise you'll be here to see it. Landbreakers? Why would they want these things? T11 Originium prisms are highly fragile. Same goes for the high-precision nucleic. The prototype is an experimental tech we developed for the ether side. To the Landbreakers, it's probably just a hunk of scrap. Yeah, quite odd indeed. Maybe some Landbreakers thought, hey, that looks expensive, and figured they could flip it on the black market. Anyway, since we've retrieved the crucial items, let's focus on the matter at hand. We should also update each other if we find anything new.
received Andre's message. Good job out there. A team to reinforce the Originium byproduct processing center is en route. The arsenal is the objective of our... I couldn't get in touch with our arsenal engineer. The entrance of the arsenal was blocked by a collapsed building during the attack. Our closest Enfielder is in...
Edmund, we got a high payload situation on our hands. We don't have enough people to clean up the collapsed building, and we couldn't bring in the I wonder if the crisis team could do me a favor and get me some of that Originium powder? I'll wait for you at the arsenal.
Originium powder? I'm sure Big Owl knows how to make it, right?
Of course I do. It's time to reveal the shredding unit. Mineral ores, metals, plants, it doesn't matter. You name it, it shreds it. This is your penultimate shredding solution. Head to the PAC and use it to
Entering core AIC area.
Edmund, activate the shredding unit control. Simple and intuitive, right? It shares the same basic control panel as the refining unit. I say it's time to shred some Originium ore.
We got the powder. Time to head to the arsenal. I haven't had proper fireworks ever since I left Wu Ling. There's no way we can get through all this rubble. Let's go and find our fellow Enfielder.
You're here! Our high payload situation hasn't changed at all. I've prepped the explosives and marked the detonation site. Don't worry, there's no risk of sympathetic detonation. I just hope you have the Originium powder to... Ho ho ho! Edmund, this barrel of Originium bombs is ready for use. Blasting... Oh! And our AIC factory has been deployed, right? Edmund,
She really... Alrighty. Hope I don't miss. Right on target. I give that explosion a 10 out of 10.
Chen, I remember you making quite a scene with some fireworks. Perhaps you have a knack for demolition work.
Shh! Not here! Not in front of so many people, Pearly. That happened way, way back. Hey, you alright?
Breathing is stable. No external injuries detected. He's likely unconscious from the blast. Work ID says Semyon. His vitals look stable. Let's wake him up. Wait, Chen?
What? An Anchor Fall struck our base? Wait. Yeah. There was this very loud explosion.
Ah. Oh.
Thank you, Administrator and Supervisor Perlica. You saved my life. I must return to my post. Fortunately, this arsenal still seems intact. Take a piece or two. It's my duty to make sure you're wielding the best weapons we have.
Still waiting for something? Not too shabby.
Good. It puts my mind at ease knowing I still have some gear in stock. Come find me if you need anything.
Speaking... And yeah, we were saying, speaking of which...
Originium will carve a path for us. Prepped and ready to go. Originium will carve...
Watch this! Awesome, right?
Originium.
Get a new assignment.
Originium will carve a path for us. Not too shabby.
Wow, this is pretty sleek. But I can also use standard issue weaponry to unleash a healthy dose of whoop-ass.
Only by walking upon the land can we truly appreciate every breath and pulse of life. And this is what Endfield is fighting for.
Oh, activation success! Can you hear me? Hello? Are you there, my little buddy? T-A-T-A? Absolutely wonderful! This proves my repair. This here is Operator Chen. This is Supervisor Perlica. And this is our administrator. This little buddy's smart module is what Yvonne slapped together in her spare time. Though it might offer a bit of fun, the module's functions are
Andre!
What? Is this a radio call?
This voice message is triggered if some dummy performs a hard reboot during maintenance mode.
Ooh, someone predicted Big Owl.
I don't know what you did. Remember, if...
Edmund, Supervisor Perlica, you must be my witnesses. I didn't... Oh, thank you so much, Edmund. Whew. In any case, even in maintenance mode, the prototype can still monitor and log ambient data of its surroundings. Thanks to the parts you retrieved.
Where should we go next?
The control tower received plenty of great news from around the base. Stellar work out there.
Welcome to Endfield Industries.
That's a lot of new messages.
Booting up.
Someone save us! The Valley Fort! So many landbreakers! Help!
Too much noise, scumbag!
The Valley Fort seems to have fallen.
That landbreaker. Was he trying to taunt us?
Still waiting for something? A fine product of industrial manufacturing.
The security division and the crewmates managed to find some pieces.
Originium will carve a path for us.
Every action taken by the Landbreakers.
That sound?
Time to fight. All variables within estimate.
One never boys, forward! Take your rest!
Onward, team. No second chance.
Wasn't expecting anything less.
This thing's a lot.
Boys, forward! Take your rest!
Outstanding technique.
Wolves, let's feast.
Endfield has your back.
Commence L7, annihilation! Take this! Right there! Another hand!
Just as I predicted.
We handled that fight well.
Useless trash! Watch and learn how to really kill!
Ready to strike, take your rest! Hey! One never! Good, forward!
Out of the way!
Sequence!
Out of the way!
Once known, be dead! Stop! Take this! One More LBs? Careful, Perlica. These mobs are something else.
A brave one. Impressive. You must be the legendary administrator. Catello Wolfgard Lupino, formally reporting for duty, administrator. That's how Supervisor Perlica usually introduces me. 2 words that go straight to the point.
Wolfgard is an Endfield Specialist Tech Division operator. He's an expert in covert combat, solo operation. Listen, Wolfgard. Pointing your gun at a fellow Endfielder is never acceptable.
Still waiting for something?
Eccomi.
of Operation Team Z7 reporting in.
Well, well, look who it is. The legendary Administrator.
I have always believed that you will lead us upon the right path once more. Welcome back to Endfield Industries.
Opsy 7 Skirmisher, Fluoride.
Captain Akakuri of Operation Team...
Endal of Opsy 7.
Catcher, Op Team Z7.
Why do I have to do this again?
Endal of Opsy 7. You have...
Originium will carve a path.
All operators accounted for. The team is ready for the mission.
A little closer to the front, please.
Still waiting for...
Am I looking all right from this angle?
Still waiting for something?
Am I looking all right from this angle? Will others get to see these fights? Some might recognize my lance. It's probably best if they don't know my name.
Watch this!
Eccomi.